Welcome to Redline Review. Perfectionists will love the 2026 Prevost Motorhome's luxurious journey. This Motorhome's Prevost Coach platform, which is well known for its quality, smooth ride, and longevity, makes road trips delightful. External design and performance. From the outside, the 2026 Prevost is visible. The slim body is composed of corrosion-resistant stainless steel and aluminum. LED headlamps and a gleaming Prevost logo signal elegance day or night. For both highway and mountain driving, the 13-liter Volvo D13 diesel engine delivers outstanding performance. Long-distance driving is made safe with the Allison automatic transmission, electronically regulated air suspension, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance technology. Craft and luxuriance at home enter to experience a personalized penthouse-like ambiance. Distinctive materials, technologies, finishes, and floor designs. Highlights: Italian leather chairs with heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities. Handcrafted cabinets constructed of premium wood. Personalized stone worktops and furnishings. Heating ceramic tiles. A spacious salon with a pop-up 65-inch QLED smart TV, theater-quality surround sound, and electric reclining seats. Controlling the lights, blinds, entertainment, and climate is made easy with touchscreens mounted on walls. Fine dining and kitchen. The chef's kitchen has everything they need to make restaurant-quality dishes while traveling. Convection oven, induction cooktop, built-in wine chiller, and dishwasher at home. With clever temperature settings, this large refrigerator, a large pantry with soft-close drawers, designer sink water dispenser with filter. You may enjoy delicious meals in a dining room with panoramic views and seating for 4 people, regardless of where you park. Private spa suite. Proceed to the rear master suite. An adjustable foundation and premium linens adorn this king-size bed. Nightstands that can be charged wirelessly. A 55-inch streaming TV. Custom wardrobes and cedar closets. A spa-like bathroom experience. Massive body jet walk-in rain shower, warm flooring, backlit storage, vanity mirror, beautiful brushed nickel fixtures, powder room for guests, intelligent technology and control. The Prevost Motorhome of 2026 has modern amenities. Whole coach automation controlled by a tablet or smartphone. Remote monitoring of security cameras. Fast satellite internet and a 5G router smart zone climate control. Solar panels and a lithium battery bank for off-grid travel encourage safe driving. Premier buses are equipped with HD 360-degree cameras. Lane departure warning and support, stability regulation via electronic means, auto brake emergency corner lighting, combined with adjustable headlights. To put it briefly, customized luxury on wheels is what the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is more than just a car. Every mile feels smooth and luxurious for clients looking for luxury, cutting-edge technology, and classic elegance. Months of off-grid or continental travel redefine luxury,